getting a low battery thing. But I think it's still recording. I did realize that bed right there, I want to plant my garlic in that bed. What I did there, I might just have to fold that back, put my garlic in, a little more straw on top. But hey, I gotta go plug my phone in. I'm gonna finish these off. But I have a camera I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna try to do that. I don't have a remote with it, but I think it's cool. So I'm gonna go get my camera, I'm gonna switch some stuff up. I'm gonna film the rest of this. That's my plan. I gotta rethink where I put some of this plastic. I don't know if it works. All the remote seems to do is make the volume go up and down.